This video is to go over how to evaluate from a graph when you're given composition of functions. And so my first problem says f of g of 2, and I have the two graphs labeled. The first function is f of x and the second function is g of x. And my first example here says to do f of g of 2. So whatever is on the inside you do first. So I am going to worry about finding g of 2. So if I look at the graph for g and I go to where x is 2, I'm going to look to find the point on the graph. It appears to be right here. And this ordered pair would be 2, comma, what, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, negative 4. And so g of 2 is negative 4. So, and then to finish the problem, I need to now find f of negative 4. And so I'll go where x is negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's this point on f of x. This is the ordered pair negative 4 comma 0. And so that value is 0. And so the entire answer here is 0. So I found the inner function to be negative 4, and then I plugged that into the outer function. All right, the next one, I have g of f of negative 2, and I prefer to write it like this, g of f of negative 2. Whatever is second is the inner function, so I'm going to find that first. All right, so I'm going to find f of negative 2 first because that's the inside. So I'm going to go to negative 2 on the x-axis, and I'm going to find that point. That point is negative 2, 4, it appears. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. And so then that value is positive 4. So now I'm going to find g of 4. And g of 4, if I go to 1, 2, 3, 4, find this point. And that is also at 4. And so because this is the point 4 comma 4, then my entire answer is 4. So all you have to do here is take the inner function and evaluate that first and plug that value into the outer function.